Imagine you're floating through space. Ahead of you is a giant black sphere. No explosions, no fire, just darkness. You turn around to escape, but something impossible happens. The universe behind you begins to speed up. Stars are being born and dying in seconds. Entire civilizations rise and vanish before your eyes. Time and reality itself are breaking down. Welcome to the terrifying reality of a black hole. Black holes are the strangest objects we've ever discovered. They form when massive stars die and collapse under their own gravity. The collapse becomes so extreme that all of the star's mass is crushed into a tiny region of space. Its gravity becomes so powerful that nothing, not planets, not stars, not even light can escape. That's why it's called a black hole. But the truly frightening part isn't being pulled in. It's what happens to time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity doesn't just pull on objects. It bends space and time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Near a black hole, this effect becomes extreme. If you spent 1 hour near a supermassive black hole and somehow survived, years would pass for people back home. You'd return to find everyone you knew old or gone. You wouldn't have traveled through space. You would have traveled to the future. Now imagine getting closer and closer. As you approach what's called the event horizon, the point of no return, something bizarre happens. To an outside observer, you appear to slow down. Your movements become slower and slower. Your light turns redder and dimmer until eventually you seem frozen in time. From their perspective, you never actually cross the event horizon. But from your perspective, everything is moving because time isn't the same for you anymore. Two completely different realities. Both correct. Scientists are still trying to understand exactly what happens next. At the center lies what's called a singularity, a place where our current understanding of the laws of physics completely break down. A point where space and time may cease to exist as we know them. The question that still keeps astronomers awake at night. What if black holes aren't just cosmic traps? What if they're doorways? Could they connect distant parts of the universe? Or maybe a bridge between dimensions? Could every black hole contain an entirely different cosmos on the other side? Right now, nobody knows. But somewhere, lurking in the darkness of space, millions of black holes are waiting while hiding some of the biggest secrets in existence. So if you had the chance to visit a black hole, would you go? Knowing you most certainly wouldn't be coming back?
Let me know in the comments one way or the other. As excited as I would be to go, I'm not sure I would leave this life behind. As always, like, share, and subscribe for more of the Paradox Observatory.